Hey everybody, don't forget to be a dragon. Now, where today? Just something people say sometimes. Well, I can cut myself. First of all, you guys probably don't care. No. I have a TV in my room. Not joking. And an Xbox 360, not one, which kind of sucks, but hey, you can't have them all. I've owned a lot of different stations. Not stations, but consoles. Including ones that you've never heard about, probably. Like the Nintendo 64. Clap your hands if you've ever heard of it. Probably no one clapped their hands. But yeah. What game today? I'll tell you what game. I will tell you what game we are playing. Ouch. I just... It's called MX vs. ATV Untamed. Yeah, no. Don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. Don't know if you guys can see the console. Well, not the console, but the TV very well. Hey, yo. But yeah, we are going to be playing MX vs. ATV. Oh my word, I wish I had an overhead camera. But yeah, we're just trying something new. MX vs. ATV. You guys can see that pretty. Not good. Not good. I should probably turn that down. You might not be able to know, but that was pretty loud. Just there. So, I'm pretty bummed. Mr. Morris is leaving. He was one of my favorite teachers. He moved in the middle of the year. Well, anyway, Sandra. I choose that a lot. What clouds? It's the middle of the winter. Of 75. It's the middle of the summer, so how is that possible? Summer, really, I said summer. Winter. I'll even prove it to you. Well, I'm considering it winter, so just shut up. It's technically spring. But it looks like winter. Still a bad day. Wish I knew every story in the sky. Me and my cousin Austin originally were playing this game, but then it ended up being that I just play it sometimes. What you ready for? I have this song on my playlist. Hey, I know I mentioned this on a different